Welcome everybody, Brian here from TMaxx, and today I'm introducing Gloss Liquid Platinum PPF, one of my personal favorite colors from TMaxx, and check it out on this Tesla Model X Plaid. It looks amazing on this. This vehicle was actually white from Tesla, and it's totally transformed with TMaxx Liquid Gloss Platinum. This TMaxx Liquid Gloss Platinum is a very unique color. It kind of blends a silver and a brown together. It's going to be a lot darker than silver, not really charcoal. It's got that gold brown hue to it. It's just a premium looking color. It's really unique. I don't see this on any other car on the road. I love to see this platinum look on this. And again, like all other TMaxx films, this is a wet install. This is hydrophobic. It's aliphatic, so it's resistant to the UV deterioration. It's a great quality film from TMaxx. Hope you guys like it. Let us know below in the comments what you like of the color. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because we're going to show all the colors from TMaxx right here on our YouTube channel. Thanks everybody.